Becoming rich is a long-term game that usually involves a combination of mindset, strategy, consistency, and a bit of luck. Here's a detailed breakdown of the key steps. 1. Define what rich means to you. Rich can mean different things: financial freedom, owning a business, early retirement, or generational wealth. Be specific. Is it $1 million in net worth, passive income of $10,000 per month, owning a house and being debt-free? Tip: clear goals help define the path. Master your mindset. Wealth building starts in the mind. Embrace an abundance mindset over scarcity. Learn to delay gratification. Be comfortable taking calculated risks, and surround yourself with like-minded people. Read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Millionaire Next Door, Think and Grow Rich. 3. Get control of your finances. Before you build wealth, you need a solid foundation. Track your income and expenses. Eliminate bad debt like credit cards and payday loans. Create an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. Build a budget and stick to it. Here's a rule of thumb: save at least 20% of your income. 4. Increase your income. You can only cut costs so much. Growing your income is key. Advance in your career or switch to higher-paying roles. Learn high-income skills like coding, sales, marketing, or copywriting. Start a side hustle such as freelancing, e-commerce, or tutoring. Don't trade time for money forever. Seek scalable income. Invest early and often. This is where wealth multiplies. Think about the stock market, index funds, ETFs, dividend stocks, real estate rental properties, REITs, businesses. Start or invest in one. And of course, compound interest. The earlier you start, the more you earn. Rule: invest for the long term. Don't try to time the market. Build or own assets. Assets are things that put money in your pocket. Rental properties, dividend stocks, intellectual property, online content. Own equity in businesses, especially if you build them. Focus on cash flowing and/or appreciating assets. Optimize taxes and legal structures. Wealthy people know the rules of the money game. Learn about deductions, capital gains, and tax-deferred accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs. Set up LLCs or corporations for business ventures. Consult with a tax advisor or financial planner. It's not what you make, it's what you keep. Scale and diversify. Once you've built some momentum, scale your business or investments. Diversify income streams and asset classes. Protect your wealth with insurance, estate planning, and legal protection. Multiple streams equal more financial resilience. 9. Live below your means. You know, most millionaires actually live modestly. It's important to avoid lifestyle creep, reinvest a portion of your gains, and keep your burn rate low so you can weather downturns. Rich does not mean flashy. Quiet wealth is real wealth. 10. Give back and legacy planning. Many rich people find meaning in giving back. Donate to causes, mentor others, build generational wealth through trusts, wills, and life insurance. Legacy isn't just money, it's knowledge and impact. Think about a step-by-step action plan based on your situation, like age, income, location, and so on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos.